Yeah, so go there and like get your link and do apply and get the opportunity to get the work or to get the hire. How it's data engineers map, and we were discussing some Azure 900 certifications questions and answers today. So that you can clear your Azure certification quickly and easily. So before I would like to know that you that after in the ending part of session we were having some job description there. We will discuss what are the criteria, what is the job profile, and what they have expected in the skill sets. So do continue at the last as well, so that you can get all the details of the notification or hiring alert on there. Okay, till then let's continue on the question sessions. So the very first question is the support plan must allow the new support request to be opened. Which of the following are support plans that will allow this? So it may come as a question in your exam centers. So whatever the your support plans are applicable are available in Azure are developer, standard, professional direct, and premier. Next. In this, they are asking if your company have data centers in Los Angeles and they have Microsoft Azure subscriptions. They are trying to configure data centers and using the geo cluster sites for the site resiliency. So you need to recommend the Azure storage redundancy option. So the requirements they have done, they have asked for data must be stored on multiple nodes. Data must be stored on the node separated geographic locations. And data can be read from the secondary location as well as from the primary locations. So the answer for this will be your read only geo redundant storage. Next is your company's Azure subscriptions includes a basic support plan, and they are asking to request an assessment of Azure environment designed for Microsoft. This is, however, not supported by existing plans. So they want to make sure your company subscribe to a supports plan that allows this functionality, and you need to keep expensive to minimum only. So the recommended solution will be your they are saying that professional direct support plan. So the answer will be no only because the expensive will be high in this case. Next is your task is to deploying a virtual machine for your company, and they have asked to select the appropriate cloud deployment solution. So they have given the option of software as a solution, but they are asking, is this meet the goal? So answer will be no, because virtual machine is not a software as a service. Again, they are asking for the Azure virtual machine, and they are saying, can we use platform as a service to deploy or to get the solution meets? The again answer will be no, because Azure virtual machines are not act as a platform as a service. And now they are asking the same thing to deploy Azure virtual machines, and now they are offering the cloud deployment solution as infrastructure as a service. So again, they are asking that will this solution meet the goal? So answer will be yes, because Azure virtual machine is act as a infrastructure as a service. And then in the next question, they're asking your developers have created 10 web applications and they must be hosted on Azure. And the following requirement they have given that your web apps will use custom domain only. Web apps each require 10 GB of storage and must each run in dedicated compute instance only. Load balancing between instances must be included. Cost must be minimized. So based on these requirements, the web tab plan should be used will be standard only. Again, in the next question, they want to make sure that they are migrating a company to Azure, and they are saying you want to make sure that Azure deployment you imply allow you to Azure to be segment for the division while keeping the administrative effort to minimum solution. You plan to make a use of several Azure Active Directory. So keeping the administrative effort to make a minimum to be a minimum. Uh, Making several Azure Active Directory will not be like meet the goal. So it will be no only. And in the next questions, they are asking you need to determine which of the web tier plan host the web apps. And the requirements are website will use miami.wayland.com URL. The website will be deployed to 2 instances. Website requires 12 GB of storage and cost must be minimized. And these requirements, your plan should be only standard. And in your next question, they are asking your company is planning to migrate all their virtual machines to Azure Pay as you go subscription. The machines are currently hosted on the Hyper-V host in data center. Use are required to make sure that the intent and did your solution uses the correct expenditure model. The solution they have suggested is you should recommend the use of the elastic expenditure model. Does this meet the goal? Your answer will be no only. Yeah. So now we are on the hiring alert section of this, and the profile we have to discuss is program analyst trainee experience. They have allowed freshers to apply, and the eligibility is science or engineering graduates. Whoever have this can do apply. And skills they have asked for .NET 3.0 and Blue Prism. Expected wages you can expect 3.2 to 5 LP only. We will be leaving that link in the comments. You can get from there and can apply. Yeah, check our other contents and do subscribe. Thank you.